Are you dreaming of a beautifully organized home? Come along with me on a fun adventure to Ikea, where I'm on a mission to discover the best storage solutions and organization hacks. From innovative storage ideas to stylish and versatile furniture, I'll uncover hidden gems that bring harmony and order to every room. Let's explore together and turn your dream home into a perfectly organized reality. This pegboard is an excellent organizational tool, and it's incredibly popular for good reason. Available at Ikea, it can be mounted on a wall or attached to a desk, offering great flexibility. It comes in white, black, and a white variant, with an array of additional accessories available, including containers, elastic cords, and shelves, allowing for full customization to meet your needs. Ikea even provides a connector to attach the pegboard to your desk, making it ideal for creating designated spaces. What I appreciate most about this product is how it keeps everything neat and tidy once it's set up. It's easy to find what you need since everything is visible and within reach. Whether used in the kitchen, office, or garage, this pegboard offers numerous ways to store and organize your items. I highly recommend it. If you're like me, you know how quickly shoes can take over your entryway or closet. This innovative shoe shelf is designed to make the most of your space while keeping your footwear organized and easily accessible. What I love most about it is the unique alternating levels. Taller boots and shoes fit perfectly at the front, while the lower shelves are ideal for sneakers and flats. Say goodbye to digging through a dark closet to find that favorite pair, and the convenience is unmatched. The pull-out design allows you to effortlessly see and reach all your shoes without bending down or moving things around. It's like having your own mini shoe display right at home. We all know shoes can track dirt and moisture indoors. This shelf is made of durable metal that resists both, and its solid bottom prevents any mess from spilling out. Cleaning is a breeze. Just wipe it down to keep it looking fresh with minimal effort. Many users rave about how this shoe shelf has completely transformed their storage game. This pegboard drawer organizer is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, priced at just $24. I absolutely love it. It's the best lid and pan holder I've ever used. It features 32 adjustable pegs that can be easily customized to fit your needs, making it ideal for organizing pots, pans, plates, and food containers. If you have deep kitchen drawers, it's especially helpful, allowing you to stack items securely without worrying about them tipping over when you open or close the drawers. It also keeps everything neatly in place, preventing items from shifting or getting disorganized. The design is so clever, you can adjust the pegs to fit whatever you're storing. The only improvement I'd suggest is offering a white version. Next, let's talk about the unveiling utility cart for boxes, the perfect solution for streamlining your space and making it easier to move items around. First, the design. This sleek white cart is not only stylish but also highly functional. It's a great match for large cube-shaped boxes from the Kugis, Panzer, and Drona series. If you've ever struggled with carrying heavy or awkward boxes from one room to another, the unveiling cart can effortlessly roll your items around, making those days of heavy lifting a thing of the past. It's ideal for transporting tools, seasonal decorations, or anything else that needs to be moved. One standout feature is the locking mechanism on the four wheels. Two of them can be locked in place, ensuring the cart stays put exactly where you need it. This is a game changer, especially in shared or smaller spaces, allowing you to gather your belongings in one spot and roll them away when you need room for something else. And let's not forget how this cart helps with organization. If you're like me and often have items scattered everywhere, the unveiling cart allows you to consolidate your tools, seasonal items, and other essentials into one neat, tidy space. The next item I discovered and instantly fell in love with is this beautifully crafted bathroom decor piece, a stunning soap dispenser priced at just $12.99. Seeing it in store was like love at first sight. The brass hardware pump is absolutely gorgeous, featuring the perfect gold tone, neither too yellow nor too orange, making it a seamless match for other brass accents you might already have. The glass design exudes elegance and sophistication, instantly enhancing the aesthetic of your sink area. This piece adds a luxurious touch without breaking the bank or appearing cheap. To elevate your bathroom even further, I highly recommend pairing it with the matching glass container and toothbrush holder from Ikea. Together, they create a cohesive, stylish, and glamorous look for any bathroom space. If you're aiming to optimize storage in your back bathroom, Ikea's bathroom section is a must-see. They offer an impressive range of storage options, from benches and shelves to carts. I love the variety they offer. There's a perfect piece for every corner of your space. Many of their items are crafted from natural bamboo, ensuring both durability and a sleek, spa-inspired aesthetic. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your bathroom, making it not only more organized, but also more luxurious. I love visiting IKEA and discovering all the beautiful rattan pieces they have this season. Like this laundry basket priced at $89.99. While it might seem a bit pricey for a laundry basket, the quality speaks for itself when you see it in person. Many of IKEA's rattan items are hand-woven, and the craftsmanship is evident in their sturdiness. One of my favorite features of this basket is the built-in wheels, which make it incredibly easy to roll around. This is especially useful if you live in a city apartment without in-unit laundry, or if you're considering it as a gift for a college grad who might need a portable solution. The basket also includes an inner bag, making it super convenient to lift out all your dirty laundry in one go. Plus, its chic and timeless design adds a warm, inviting touch to any space. Let me introduce you to this incredible basket with compartments, available for just $29.99. The moment I saw it, I was struck by its sleek design, sturdy build, and premium quality. What really makes it stand out is the central handle, which not only offers convenient portability, but also serves as a clever divider for organizing your belongings. This basket is exceptionally versatile. It's perfect as a desk organizer, bookshelf compartment, shower caddy, lunch holder, or anything else you can dream up. It's the ideal blend of functionality and style. Make sure to check it out during your next visit to the store. You're going to love it as much as I do. Introducing the VAT and Card Desk Organizer, a must-have for anyone who's constantly juggling multiple tasks at once. This organizer is your solution for transforming chaos into order, keeping all your work essentials neatly organized in one convenient spot. Its dual-sided design is a game changer. One side features a high front with an elastic strap that securely holds your laptop, ensuring it stays safe and in place as you move around, no more slipping or damage. The other side has a low front, perfect for stashing smaller items like notebooks, pens, or even your favorite snacks. In the center, you'll find a mini pegboard, which allows you to customize the space with hooks and containers from the same series. Whether you place it on your desk, on the floor, or tuck it away in a cabinet to save space, this organizer adapts to your needs. With its sleek design and portability, it's ideal for those who love to keep their workspace fresh and organized. Practical, versatile, and stylish, this organizer truly has it all. Have you checked out IKEA's utility cart priced at $189? I'm absolutely smitten with it. It's more than just a utility cart, it's a portable command center that holds everything you need, from notes and files to coffee mugs. You can easily roll it to meetings, workshops, or anywhere else you need it. The build quality is top-notch, and the wheels make moving it a breeze. It can even serve as an extension of your desk, adding extra space by sliding it next to your workstation. I'm really impressed by how sturdy and versatile it is. It fits perfectly in craft rooms, small closets, and even living rooms. Next, I really love this rail with 4 hooks and 2 containers. It offers so much practicality for storing various items thanks to the hooks and cups that can be added. There's even an option to add a shelf, making it a great space saver, even in smaller spaces. I'd use this in the kitchen to hang utensils, sponges, and towels. It's also perfect for the bathroom to store razors, contact lenses, and other toiletries, and you can even hang a wet face cloth. You can add it to your closet to organize jewelry and other small items as well. Next up, we have the Bramble Open Storage Unit on casters. Gamers, this one's for you. Picture all your consoles, controllers, headphones, and gaming accessories neatly organized in one place. With the Bramble, you can make that a reality. When you're ready to play, just roll it to your favorite spot. The best part? It's fully customizable to fit your gear. The dividers can be adjusted horizontally or vertically, and it comes with elastic straps, hooks, brackets, and a side compartment that can be mounted on either side. Say goodbye to tangled cables and misplaced controllers. Plus, the side panels feature ventilation holes to keep your equipment cool, so you can game for hours without any overheating issues. Once you're all set up, simply lock 2 of the casters and you're ready to dominate. Introducing IKEA's cable management box with a lid, now available for only $7. This clever organizer helps you neatly store and conceal those tangled cables on your desk or floor. A simple addition like this can transform the appearance of your space, making a noticeable difference. If you're interested in similar options, Amazon also offers a set of 3 cable box organizers. This beautiful hand-woven rattan ottoman is a fantastic storage solution for all your essentials. It's not just durable, but also adds a touch of elegance to any room. Versatile and unique, it can serve as a storage basket, a stylish coffee table next to your couch, a charming nightstand by your bed, or even a convenient stool at your entryway. The natural rattan material brings a warm, organic feel to your space while being lightweight and easy to move. Whether you need extra seating or a stylish way to store belongings, this ottoman is an excellent choice. Plus, it's simple to assemble, making it perfect for any room in your home. Introducing Vitbjorn, a delightful and functional storage solution crafted to bring both charm and practicality to kids' rooms. This whimsical, house-shaped storage unit is designed to spark imagination while keeping spaces neat and tidy. Its unique two-level structure offers versatile storage options to suit your child's needs. The upper roof section provides a convenient spot to hang clothes, keeping outfits organized and easily accessible. Beneath, a spacious pull-out drawer serves as the perfect hideaway for toys, books, or other everyday essentials. Equipped with smooth, sturdy wheels, the drawer glides effortlessly, allowing kids to pull it out for playtime and roll it back when tidying up, a fun and engaging way to encourage responsibility. Vitbjorn is thoughtfully designed at a child-friendly height, empowering even the youngest organizers to reach, sort, and store their belongings with ease. Not just a storage unit, it's a playful companion that transforms staying organized into an enjoyable adventure. Thanks for joining me on this IKEA adventure. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to transform your space with the perfect organization solutions. Remember, a beautifully organized home is just a few clever choices away. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy organizing and creating your dream home.